Welcome to Monimation. I'm Moni. A database-driven CMS utilizes a relational database. So, a flat file CMS is a system where the content is managed and readily accessible without the need to query a database to retrieve data. Apache is running. MySQL is also running. Next, I show you how to install WordPress. Go to wordpress.org and press the Get WordPress button. And scroll down and press All Releases. And you can choose which one you want. I scroll down to get the old one. 4.9 branch. Click this one, the zip. Okay, the download is complete. Find your file. This is a zip folder. Uncompress it. Make a new folder first. Put it inside. Uncompress it. This is the file it contains. Cut it. Go to M's. Scroll down to www folder. Put it inside. Because WordPress is database driven, we have to create a database for it. Go to M's phpMyAdmin and click on Databases and create database. Create. Now go to localhost. Go through the installing process. We choose English. Click Continue. Click Let's Go. Database name just created. WordPress DB. Username is root. Password, the default is MySQL. For M's, database host localhost. Okay, click Submit. Run installation. Oh, fill in the site title. Username, admin, password. Because it is just for development, I click Discourage. Install WordPress. Oh, very good. Success. Log in. Username admin. Log in. Okay, it's done. Go back to the database. Here are all the files inserted automatically by WordPress. okay, it's fine.